Exactly. We feel the fucking tent. Fucking tent.
If this
Very smart, very good, very good.
Okay, so is everybody seated?
Why not everyone was survived, not everyone, but every box was survived. But I think it was fun for us, for you also. And maybe we can see the video and you can show us how it was. Without sound, here you can see how you work. You can choose different materials. It was fun to see how you use, for example, old tires, wooden materials, or plastic. For example, this doll furniture, you made the box creative, and it was surprising for us how many ideas you had. That's how we looked all your prototypes, and that was our machine, how we tested. That was fun, it was smart. We fired it, and then we drowned it in the water, and then crashed the test. It was really fun. Most of our teams take a bonus chosen one to break the biggest weight after the crashing test. Nobody was, I don't know, everybody was fun.
Very interesting. May I also ask you, what exactly was your thoughts? What engineering skill did you want to challenge from the participants?
Creativity, activity, teamwork, and great ideas. And we get it all from your work.
That sounds great. And hey, may I ask you, like, is this what you actually do in FEMA every day? I mean, are you actually having that much fun every day?
Of course we have so much fun every day, but maybe not so critical things. One of our divisions is data center infrastructure. It's very difficult, and we decided to make some fun. Okay, it's not our usual job, but it's something related with our business, engineering solutions, and that's the reason why it's our topic like that.
Very nice. I'm quite sure I'm speaking from in the name of teams and participants who enjoy this task. It's very fun to build it first and then crash it. And I mentioned that not many was not what do you think the future of this design? I think it has really practical features. Stood against it. You should tell us, how was the water? I see some good water. You don't know that. Just how it handled the water test.
What we did was to the server, and after that, the structure that was player and also the inputs. To isolate, I will set the order, I will have metal blocks, I will take the isolate the system, and it completely work. And I know it looks like it's completely damaged, but in fact, our design right now is still completely functional. Because these outer layers made of plaster are designed to be destroyed to protect the inner structure, which is composed by this palette and the metal box that is protecting the server. So the only thing that should be done is in the plaster and it has to be tested all over again.
Okay, thank you. So we have a solution. That can be reused. So even if it's destroyed, it's enough to change just one layer. It's very important. It is the right way to change the So thank you very much. Or is it a combination of both?
Of course, we experimented a lot. We thought about it a lot. This is the result.
It seems like a very nice result. Would you maybe care to listen to it?
Yeah, no problem.
Oh, very nice. Seems very easy to use.
Yeah, then this was the idea that anyone could just come and play. No special yeah, if we get a little bit more time, we will make it even more practical and progress. Now it's a bit. Maybe.
So how about the you have how bad? So is that better than how bad? I cannot see you. What's this here? How did you make it?
We start making the instrument out of 5. during the materials we soon run out of pipes, so we have to improvise. We use a glass jar and we cut some pipes together over coats, and also we use it to screws the notes, and some lower notes we use just the wood to get the right note, the right music.
Wood to tune it up and get the right frequency.
We made some tries and figured out that it's better to use wood with lower frequencies.
What kind of specialities? There are more people. What were your engineering specialities?
Well, we're mechanical engineers, sadly, none of us musicians, so we have quite some difficulties hearing the notes, so we rely on the machines to do it.
But from an engineering point of view, did you feel that
we're mostly lacking the field of music?
I see. Well, let's have a very variety of your dynamics and have
Actually, a question. It has been moved, obviously, to the place you work, to the place you said what you hear. Would you do something? Would you keep it as it is?
We'll manage the material better.
It's important to learn. Hopefully next time you will building a music instrument just on your own. So, following right next to this, we have a Benelux design.
So, Benelux is in the corridor. Maybe they want to come. Maybe we can call them and they can come.
Or maybe the team who was there to play this. It was very professional. Yes, I see the team coming. Second, they were able to explain us what did they make, why it looks like that. So, question. Your musical instrument, it looks like piano. Is it something like piano? How did you come to thinking of something like this?
Yes, actually it's like piano, but with instead of strings, you just pedal flutes, just like before instruments. But probably in the case we have like instruments too, but it sounds still very sound because we pedal flutes requires and the levels really at the same time, and it's really very good.
And questions for the previous team. Do you think you have to do it again, or are you having more time, or any other conditions? Have any ideas what you could different? How is your opinion? Music and engineering, does it go well together?
I think it's very good.
In your free time, do you look at the music just for your own fun to entertain your friends and family?
Yeah, actually.
To share? So if you do, please share. We'll be very happy to see. You're done with your guitar?
So this is different.
It's mostly designed for design of this component. We're gonna let's take each hour and trying to tune it for the octave. How full power. So to make
If you actually have more time, if you have, let's say, 2 more days, what would be your approach action? What would be the next steps?
probably
You would improve on this, or
no. I think we can go probably we'll change the level because of the sound. It's much bigger sound, and it was easier to get instrument from the part. Even the sound from this is really low. It's
and they're creating really talent. So even though you didn't have enough time to do Yeah, let's go. And we have hello. So when we did more materials around the travelers, so our main idea was to make something like art support. It's some measurement was actually one of the strings, but unfortunately we had some trouble that we didn't get back to implement that area. So similar to that. And as you can see this the end result. The problem with what was going on they did do that.
This was the design of the obstacle. Then we break up.
Okay, it looks like you tried to combine several music instruments or ideas of several music instruments in one. May I ask, how did you come to this creative solution? Maybe some of your teammates played different musical instruments and you decided to combine them.
Yes, from instruments.
And I'm sure it's always difficult to select an idea, especially when you have many ideas to come to this.
Well, we actually looked at the materials that we had available, and we all talked together and reversed something. So everyone had some different ideas, so we just put the root path on the goal and reverse the whole something like that.
And one last question. I find this really interesting. So my question would be, if you would have no material information and you could create whatever you want, would this look different? Or would you follow the same principle of combining different instruments? Or would you stick to one?
I believe we will go for the same original idea, so we will make something similar to Oficial. This mechanism is very interesting to us because it's a current box finger from one side, and it makes a sound, but it can return freely to the other side. So we have like combination, rotation, and translation in one mechanism, which looks really cool and very simple to me. We started doing this today, our management was really nice. So that's why. That's our meeting today, time management and complexity analysis.
Well, it's really nice to see that not only you have fun, but also you took some learnings out of it. So can we expect that you'll come back home and you'll create something similar, something that really follows the strategy you have?
Well, why not? I mean, probably as soon as we find time, we'll try to make something similar to this, because this mechanism looks really interesting to us, and the whole topic is really well covered.
Well, I would say it's really nice to hear that you are still dedicated and still motivated to follow up with the ideas after the challenge. So, same as I asked before, if you do make something, please share it with all of us. I'm sure it would be very interesting to learn what did you create on your own. And I'm sure this stuff would really appreciate the feedback. And maybe next year we can make it even more challenging. So, if you manage, please share it.
Thank you.
Thank you for your work.
Thank you.
So let's step up. Only a few left, and let's go to the Nordic beat.
Yes, I heard already today about the more big quality stuff, so it would be very interesting to learn how does this apply to a musical instrument. Is there somebody from the Nordic team?
Yes, is everybody here?
I saw them, they were around.
Nordic?
Well,
Are they out there? Or are you pointing at? Okay, it's okay. So maybe we can skip them for now and jump to Isaac from Portugal. So is anybody from Portugal here? Oh, there is. Cool. So this is very colorful. Maybe you can explain how it works and what is the concept behind it. For Andre.
Concept is really simple. Just step the piece and it would make a sound. In this case, we use wood instead of materials, instead of real sound and find frequency like metal, so we don't sound that wood. This problem was related with the lack of material at the end, and we worked on asking to give material, so we don't have the pipes. So to make the metal instruments, we have to go to the wood, and that's the final outcome.
Well, I would say one of the challenges of team design class is managing materials whatever you have available. And to my knowledge, to my opinion, it looks very nice. So I would say, apart from the sound, you also took care about the appearance of your musical instrument. No? Did you care about your appearance? How it looks? Was it important to you? Did you consider how it should look?
Actually, the box is not for appearance, is to make quantify the sound. Because when you have wood, you have that intensity. So you put it in the box, it's a resonance box that you can amplify the sound.
I'm sure it's quite difficult to start making from zero a music instrument.
First, we have the concept that we have to change due to the lack of materials. The only possibility was this way. That's why we use this. That's why we made this.
Very nice. Well, I would like to thank you for your work. It looks very interesting, and I'm sure you use materials and design to your best ability. And actually, I have the same question which I asked the last two teams. If you go home, would you try to build your own musical instrument again? Or was this experience?
It was a nice experience, but for me personally, I won't build it. I'm not a musician, but yeah, it was nice to interact with people and try different challenges. I'm more interested for me to do. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the explanation.
And next one is the team from the original world of Cuba. And this looks very pretty.
And this the keyboard. This is the keyboard which acts on a tiny hand. That was basically our idea.
Well, before asking more questions, because I have a lot of them, would you care to place?
It's about the usage, the tiny hammers, pass over those software. We involved the neighbor software, so we need to make it stable. That was not it's just exposition in our team, but it's not the same building instrument with singing them.
Okay, that's really neat. So, the question, you mentioned you have one musician. About the other team, did this stop?
I don't know. We actually did a lot of calculation for the length of pipe.
Okay, so maybe, would you say building your own musical instrument or learning to play? What would be more difficult?
Yeah, but I guess building one is more interesting.
Yes, it sounds like you're really truly presenting. I would say thank you very much. It looks very nice, it sounds very nice. So we'll see in the evening what the evaluation was about it. Okay, good luck.
And maybe we can move to the next second to last instrument, which is from Turkey. Is anybody from Turkey here? Okay, so we again have a string instrument.
We should look at the harp a little bit.
Yeah, it does look interesting. How do you hold it?
Like you like this, like people don't understand they will like this is our code. First of all, we will find the market. We change the first idea is like the metal pipe. Because of I couldn't we changed the this hard to try to hold sound and go in. This will be easier to finish our table, but I think sound is not great now because there's some problem there, but it was a little bit good when we were trying to do the presentation. And that's all.
Okay, I have a question. I see that you are using additional tools to play your instrument. Why is that? How did you come up to that conclusion? Can you maybe deal without them? Can you just play using your fingers? Or do you need the additional tools?
Yeah, we can see in the presentation we use our main because it will take time to finish it. And now I think it will not work because the accord is not good. You should use the table. Only you can see that.
And I also see you use different color strings. Is it just for beauty or is there a purpose there?
Great question. Because we have limited source. I mean, you try to do all of them in the machine like this one, but we can use only free this machine pen, so we changed it. Another design like this one, very nice. But you can actually all sound go away. It doesn't matter the color or the machine. You can solve the color.
Okay, so it was more like a coincidence that all materials passed well together? Or did you do it on purpose? You calculated which strings to place where and how to set them? Okay, very nice. And I would like to know, would you care to play something for us?
As you said, a cover is not good, but maybe my friend can try. I think it is not good because of the accord, but maybe we can. That's awesome.
I think that with just a little bit of tuning and a screwdriver, this will sound beautiful.
Yeah, I would agree. And it looks portable enough, so I would say very good job.
We didn't use lots of materials. This is one of the cheapest equipment for these instruments.
Okay, the price, of course, is important. Would you say this was one of your main points? Were you keeping track of the cost of your creation on purpose? Or, again, was it a coincidence as well?
The main point is the sound, especially the microphone. And we occasionally the sound is not, and it is not easy to get this high volume of the sound, but we could get the sound.
Well, very nice. Thank you for your presentation. It was very interesting. And surely, not the least, not the least one, but also the final creation of the season belongs to you designing for your brain. And this looks much. So what different than the others? Could you explain what did you do? Let's see bottles and glass, no strings, no tubes. How did you come up with using bottles?
Like our first idea was to use metal tubes, but it was really hard to make a big products. So we use things that's a good idea to use the bottle because all of that sounds beautifully and it's use a metal driver.
Very nice. I would like to ask you, since I cannot really imagine how does it work, could you play something for us?
Yeah, sure. Our musician will better do this. Yes, actually, it was an idea with the bar piano, you should bring a little bit of studio and then to listen to music, and it sounds very good. So.
And can I ask you, I see that you're using similar models for a particular different note. How do you achieve the frequency that the model will be giving?
Actually, this little number speeds with different places in the model, and the sound looks different. Or you can drink the beer and test to it, it's unknown.
Okay, so you're proposing sort of recycling and creating music. I see the idea there. Okay, and actually, a question I asked previously as well. Would this task inspire you to go home and either learn a musical instrument to play one, or create your own, or even just go to music concerts? And just then one other question. How do you think that engineering and music are another forms of expressing oneself? Does it go together? So being engineer and being creative and creating music, does it go together?
I think yes. The great musicians went to play with some musical instruments, so they really not a lot because no one is a musician.
Really? Nobody can play anything?
No.
Oh, this is very impressive. I would assume some of you play piano or something, but it's very impressive for not knowing notes. Good job. Well, I would say thank you very much for your creation. Thank you for playing for us. And yeah, good luck in the competition. We'll see how you do.
Thank you.
Okay, I see that not many people are left here anymore listening for us. But no matter if somebody does hear us, we went through all the team design prototypes we have here. So I would like to invite you, as we still have some time, to go around and look carefully at the prototypes, maybe play some musical instruments, maybe try to destroy some of the boxes with that. Please feel free.
And also, I encourage all the team design teams to sit next to the creation because maybe your colleagues will have some questions to ask as well. They're private, so I mean, enjoy.
And for you to lose yourself into playing instruments, I would like to remind you that in about half an hour, we expect all of you to be downstairs so we can proceed for official photo. Now, you have time until 1:30 to play around, to look the instruments, and 1:30, please be downstairs.
Welcome. Great. Let's check. How are you doing? Right.